Hey friends, if you're new here, my name is Oleta, and if you're an OG, hello. And yeah, judging from the title, you guys can rate reasons why I shaved my head. And to be honest, I feel like I hypocrite because I didn't actually like buzz it all the way. So we're doing that today. Let's get right into it. Okay. I'm gonna make myself look like a balding person. And that's not a bad thing either. If you're balding, own your bald head. Own it, man. Own it. Not just man. Own it, y'all. Own it, y'all. That's more inclusive of people. Bye, sirens. Okay, so I missed some spots, but I would say I did pretty good considering I did this by myself. Okay, there's a spot here. I finally did it. Okay, so into the reasons why I did it. I have some notes so I don't get too rambly. There's hair everywhere. Anyway, okay, so first reason, I literally just wanted to do it. I had mentioned in my other head shaving video. So I've wanted to do this for quite a long time, and then 2020, a lot of people were doing it, and like really good for them, amazing. And yeah, like the only thing that was stopping me from doing it was fear. And if that's what's stopping you, that I feel like, yeah, fear will stop pretty much anyone from doing most things in life, whatever they want to do. If it means shaving their head or like pursuing their business or like their artwork, whatever it may be, fear is the biggest deterrence of, you know, pursuing something that you're really interested in doing. And then a second thing that the reason why I wanted to do it is just like owning myself. And what I mean by that is there's, you know, social media and there's people out there that are, you know, look different than us, but there is a perceived beauty if you look a certain way, and you can't help but compare yourself to others. And I am guilty of that too. And I really just want to, you know, own my head shape. It is definitely not perfect to my head. I have a really flat part here. Well, you guys can see. I don't know, maybe I just like my head wasn't turned when I was a kid, but whatever. So I'm just like owning my head, my own features, my face. It's not, you know, symmetrical, and that's something that like bugged me all the time before, but now I just have to freaking own the crap out of my like myself and who I am. And I keep on touching because it's amazing. Third reason is just I want to be more open. I feel like I am, and I'm accepting of others no matter whatever orientation and how they want to, you know, present themselves in the world. And I have found myself, you know, making assumptions about people in terms of how they look. Like, oh, they're probably like this, or I think that they have these XY characteristics, and like that's definitely not the case. And when I get to know them, they're like totally different. So I just want to be more accepting to the world and not make assumptions about people, because I know assumptions have been made about me, and like that hasn't made me feel very, very good. And it's really odd just that I've had friends of friends have like asked them like, oh, like is she like lesbian or blah blah or whatever, like is she into girls now? To be honest, don't know if I am for sure or not. Like sexuality is like a spectrum, can change throughout the years. And besides the point, like I've made assumptions about people and they've made assumptions about me, and I really don't want to be that type of person that makes assumptions about anyone just because of like how they decide to dress or look. Oh yeah, like I said, and the point too is like owning myself. Like it doesn't matter like what you look like. If you want to present yourself a certain way into the world, like sometimes I'm gonna be more like masculine or boyish or whatever that may be, and like there shouldn't be certain assumptions about people because of how they look. I'm gonna look different every day. Like I'm gonna dress differently. Maybe I'll dress in a dress one day, or maybe I'll dress like in jeans, and we shouldn't make assumptions about anyone just because of how they look. Anyway, rant there. That's my TED talk for the day. Fourth reason is just to save money, I would say. And like I can cut my own hair now, and I would spend so much money before on like cutting, dyeing. Like for myself, I only really trust, I guess, certain people to cut my hair, and that's my bad. But like for a haircut, even for short hair, would be like 60, 70 bucks. And doing that like every month adds up, where I could, you know, put my money and my resources to somewhere else, like experiences with my friends. And now I can, you know, have more resources to do that. And I guess it goes into like 5, having more time to also have those experiences. Like I was never really the type of person that would do my hair a lot, and I just not that into hair. Yeah, just I have more time to, you know, do my hobbies, sleep, so I don't have to like get up and like wash my hair or like as much. So I have time to just do me, and do me to my heart's content. And if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you're thinking of shaving your head, just do it. Seriously, it is very freeing and awesome. Yeah, comment below if you're like on the fence of, you know, shaving your head. Maybe I'll convince you. And yeah, if there's anything else that you guys want to do, maybe not shave your head, just fear stopping you, just freaking do it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. You guys are amazing, and catch you next time. Subscribe if you are interested in joining the journey. Bye! If you're still here, I forgot to share you guys. I feel like this was just, you know, foreshadowing this. So this is me as a baby. Like, can I recreate the face? Like, yes, so this is me.